Hi, today what we're going to work on is renaming whole numbers when adding fractions. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at problems like this. Let's go down a little bit. We're going to look at a problem like this. Let's say I wanted to add Warren and Drake each had an apple. Warren ate 7/8 of his apple and Drake ate 3/4 of his apple. So if I was trying to add those fractions, I know right now that I have 7/8 plus 3/4. Now I know I cannot add these fractions right now because they do not have like denominators. So I have to figure out how to make them like. Well, I know 4 times 2 will give me 8. And so if I multiply by 2 on the bottom, I have to do 2 on the top. So I know 3/4 is equivalent to 6/8. So now if I have 7/8 plus 6/8, I know I have 13/8, but I know that is an improper fraction. So I'm going to take this fraction and turn it into a mixed fraction. So I know I can pull out one group of 8/8, so that's one whole. If I count 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, I know I have 5 left. So 1 and 5/8 is equivalent to 13/8. This is written as a mixed number, and this is written as an improper fraction. So what we're going to do today is figure out how to add fractions and then turn them back into mixed numbers. So another way to think about that is if I was adding 7/8, here's 7/8, and Drake is eating 3/4, or I know 3/4 is the same as 6/8, so that shows me that right here. So if I have 7/8 plus 3/4, I change that to common denominators, so I have this, 7/8 plus 6/8 equals 13/8. Well, I know if I take one of these away and put it up here, I have filled in this whole group of eighths, so I have 8/8, and then down here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/8 left, so I really have one whole plus 5/8, or my answer that I have is 1 and 5/8, which is the same as what I just found right here. So your homework this evening asks you to add and then express each answer as a mixed number in simplest form. So let's look at this first one, 5/9 plus 2/3. Well, I know the first thing I have to do is get these to be common denominators. So let's times this by 3 and times this by 3. So I have 5/9 plus 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 6/9. That equals 11/9. Well, I know 11/9 is really like 9/9 plus 2/9, and 9/9 is really a whole, so I have 1 and 2/9. And I know that that is in lowest or simplest terms. Good luck.